Welcome back, everybody. So today we are back on the product couch, and we're going to be doing a unboxing and a review of my latest headset. I've heard the complaints. You guys were complaining about my headset crackling and the sound quality being pretty much garbage. So just to let you guys know what I've been using in the past. So the one that was giving me the big problems was the Nubwo headset. The headset was about $45, and you know what? It started off really good up until I started bringing it to the gym, and then with when you're sweating in the gym and your equipment starts getting wet, right? So that's pretty much what happened with this. And I was using the official PlayStation headset. So as you guys could see, there's scotch tape here. This was $125. This was my biggest waste of money regarding gaming hardware. So once this thing breaks, because look, this side there's nothing wrong with it, but it is really flimsy plastic. The quality of it, audio, was great, but the physical quality of this is garbage, because once this thing breaks, there's nothing you can do to fix it. Maybe some JonTron sponsored flex tape will help, but the good tape that I was using, this was pretty expensive tape, was not good enough. So yeah, PlayStation official headset, garbage. And the new one looks just as flimsy. Now this is going to be a good one. So this is the Razer Black Shark version 2X. Alright, so let's not dilly-dally too much. We need the unboxing table. And boom, just like that, we have the unboxing table and we have our headset. So right off the bat, before we start the unboxing, if at any point you guys are enjoying the video, drop a like, subscribe, and make sure you come back for the next videos. So this is going to be a multi-part video. So this is going to be a timestamp for the outline of the video. So the first part is the unboxing, and then afterwards I'm going to do a live stream, which is going to also include my new webcam, HD webcam, with the audio of the headset. And then either in the same video or later on, I'm going to be doing a review of the quality of it. So stay tuned for that. Now let's get to the unboxing. So as always, side number 1, side number 2, side number 3, side number 4, box confirmed, all 4 sides. So right off the bat, the headset is very light. The box itself feels extremely light. Razer does make great products, great mice and keyboards. Pretty interesting design for the box itself. So we have our unlock your headset's full potential now. So we have a registration card for the Razer app site, I'm guessing. All right, so we have the obligatory, very nice. So the Razer products always come with stickers. I have like 4 or 5 of these sets now. They gotta come up with some new ones. We actually have some color. Black, white, and green, so it gives you the layout of the headset. So it is the wired one. I don't want to go wireless. There's the other side. So it is a 7.1 surround sound. It's not the THX model. That's the next model after this one. Right. And as always, because Jigavega is a gentleman, I'll let you guys have the first look. All right, can I look at my product now, please? Please? Did you guys leave a like? You did? All right, thank you. Now, oh, fooled you once again. it's behind a bag. All right, so yes, we got your padding. Anything else in the box? Nope, nothing else in the box. All right, so let's have a gander. Okay, I'll let you guys see it before I see it. I don't know what I'm dropping. This feels like a bag of some sort. All right, cool. So you guys had the first look. Can I look at it now? I can? All right, thank you. You guys are so nice to me. Thank you. All right. Oh man, I ordered the pink ones. So, all right. Very, very decent quality. It, like I said, it does feel like the cable feels heavier than the headset itself. All right, so we have the microphone over here. We have some sort of plasticky leather, synthetic leather. Very, very soft. So you got the detail of Razer. Then you have the Razer logo. I don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah, so some of the Razer headsets, they glow. I didn't want to have any of that. So it's got some aluminum or steel wire over here. Better than plastic. So it's got a button over here. So I'm guessing that's, yeah, so this is for your mute. So the headset itself, the earphones, the head part feels very soft. The mic feels very big, but that's as to be expected. So it does come with a covering to soften those pops. So this is for your volume control. So this is a cordioid mic. Okay. So I got a pretty big head. So how would I adjust the headset? Yeah, I need, whoa, holy crap. Noise cancellation is very, very good. I could hardly hear my own voice. Wow, that's awesome. So I'm pretty sure when I'll be doing my streaming, my neighbors will be able to hear. Blah, 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 blah. Oh my God, I just got shot. All right. So then we have our carrying case. Okay, I'm gonna take off the headset because I don't know how loud I'm being. Whoa, all right. We forgot the most important part. So this is brand new, it's not used secondhand. Quality, flavorless plastic. So this part does have a smell, but it's not a offensive or strong smell. And the plastic part of the headset has no smell whatsoever. So the last part we're going to look at is the cable, because I want to see how long the cable is. Okay, that's okay. Very cool. It comes with. This is always very much appreciated. So it comes with an extension cable. So in case it's not long enough to connect to your. If your console is too far away, but I'll be plugging it directly to my Xbox Series X and my PlayStation 5 controller. So it's very long, just the way the ladies like it. So this is about 4 feet, actually about 3 feet. And then I'm guessing you have another 3 or 4 feet in this. So that takes care of the unboxing part. So now I'm going to do a live stream to test out the quality, how good the audio is. So if you guys enjoyed the video, this part, so if you guys did, please drop one like. If you guys did not enjoy the video because I'm such an off-putting, terrible YouTuber, never be shy. Always drop it upside down and let me know how horrible of a job I do, or how good of a job I do. Great job, horrible job. Great job, horrible. I appreciate you guys. Come back in a couple seconds for the live stream later.